Hello and welcome back to our Mythbuster video series. My name is Shramana and today we'll be talking about the perceived value of digital assets. Now, there's a myth going around that digital assets don't have any real value. Value is a very subjective term. What might be of value to one individual or community might not be as significant to another individual or community who have access to the same resource. Ethereum, the blockchain ecosystem that powers the crypto token Ether, is actually the building block of several decentralized applications, non-fungible tokens, and other technological advancements in the ownership of digital assets. But this is not backed by the dollar the same way that Bitcoin is. But it does not diminish its value in any way. In fact, this is very significant to developers and individuals who are working towards creating a decentralized financial ecosystem on the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. Investors are also stocking up on crypto for the purpose of venture capital activity, financial diversification, etc. Here's an important fact for you. Crypto, like any other asset, is prone to fluctuations due to investor and consumer sentiments, token supply and demand, and other economic factors that affect the ecosystem as a whole. So even though a lot of these tokens have real utility and long-term potential, which determines its value, it's important to know what you're getting into. So please do your own research before you invest and stay tuned for more Mythbuster videos coming your way.